I just took her AK to a dinner date.
Holy shit! No motor, no trans, everything was out. And we got this put together pretty good. Good morning, guys. I am back. Well, when I upload this, it probably won't be the morning. But anyway, I'm back again. Customer that's coming to me for the single turbo build that I was gonna feature on the channel has arrived. I'll show you what I got here, and maybe in the video, I will get the video on the engine stand, install some parts on it, stuff like that. Getting a full reseal, dock racing, single turbo kit. What else? Pretty much everything. Like, it's a manual 4-door. You guys see the car here. Pretty much why I'm making this video is because I want you guys to see how a build's supposed to come out, how to properly do a build, and not just, you know, slap parts on it, overlook a few things. You want to do everything right so the car performs at its full potential. This is why we say you guys can check out our website, TiesAutoWorksPerformance.com. We are trying to maximize the potential of your BMW. If you guys are still watching the video, please like, please subscribe, and tell me, even if you don't own a BMW, what car do you currently drive? So I got the old clutch off. As you can see, the rear main seal it's not too bad, but it is starting to seep, so we're gonna get that replaced. Everything on this is gonna get replaced. Oil pan gasket, valve cover gasket, walnut blast, oil filter, literally all these seals. Alright guys, so I'm just breaking down the boxes over here. I found all these seals. This is the front crank seal, the rear main seal, oil filter housing gasket, bolts, oil pressure sensor, stuff like that. Like I said, it will be getting a lot of new stuff. You know, you got the transmission motor mounts here, obviously the dock racing kit here, low pressure fuel pump, I believe that's the valve cover gasket, all new coolant lines. What's this? Power steering pulley. That's the serpentine belt kit, whatever. VRSF, intercooler, and it's getting a spec twin disc. I'm just chopping this away, you know, breaking down the boxes, taking out the parts, and should be getting this on my stand in about, I don't know, soon.
Cracker got an AR, like he shooting schools up. Yellow wide body, Hellcat look like a school bus.
Rear main seal is installed. I took the other one off. I have this kit I bought from FCP. Helps me with the rear main seal, front crank seal, all that type of stuff. Finally, let's get this on the engine stand. All right, guys. Engine is on the stand. Rear main seal's done. You know that. So now I'm gonna start pulling the valve cover, oil filter housing, get all that cleaned up. Try to clean this up more because it's just, you know, BMW things, they like to leak. Well, I'm gonna start hammering away at this motor.
What?
Chipping away at this. I do have to clean the engine, but you know, we're in the East Coast and it's cold outside already. Gonna pull this off, change those gaskets, clean that up, clean this side of the block, do the front crank seal, then just do what I can pretty much. I'm trying to eliminate any problems that might happen after the swap. I just want this to be a smooth sailing build, and so just so he can enjoy it. I got the motor wrapped up. Things I need, spark plugs. He has the B58 coil conversion. And yeah, so check out the motor and then let's install this twin disc. It's a spec motive, beautiful clutch.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but
Wait a minute! Who are you?
All right, guys, kind of ran into an issue. Let me just show you.
Oh, brother.
Here's the clutch. It is a twin disc. I think I mentioned it before, but this flywheel is a 6-bolt and the engine is an 8-bolt. So for the early N54s, they come 6-bolt. So there's only 6 bolts in the back. Most people don't know what this means when they hear 6-bolt, 8-bolt, but early N54s, I think it's 08 and under are 6-bolt, and then it's 09 and up is 8-bolt. I don't know. Don't quote me on that, but this is a 09 and up, so it is an 8-bolt. So now I had to order another clutch, and we're gonna wrap this one back up and ship it back. All right, guys, I missed the full engine swap, me putting the turbo on. It was just pretty bad, but here's the final result. So when this car first came to our shop, he was lost, he didn't know where to go. The car came to us in pieces, and guess what? We figured it out. We got the car back together in one piece, and let me tell you, it was a journey. There was only one problem when he brought us the car, and that was guidance. Once we took a look at the car, we were like, oh, this is a lot, but guess what? We got the job done and the car is immaculate. Let me show you guys how the car looked when it first reached our shop.
I just took an AK to a denim day. I just put some VVs in.
Holy shit! All right, guys, what is up? We are back, and guess what? The car is finished. Nick's car is done. We have Nick right here, and we're gonna ask him a few questions just to see what he thinks. What's up, man?
That's it.
Chilling? Another day?
Yeah.
So what do you think of the car so far?
To be honest, man, I didn't know it could be this refined and like nice to drive every day, even if I wanted
Yeah.
the way it is. I mean, like this partial throttle, it feels like a little bit heavier than stock. You're just getting around, you have all that torque and everything. And then, I mean, once you get in it, it's insane.
What would you recommend, first of all, to someone that would buy one of these off the lot? To go
Stock?
straight stock. Go straight single turbo or upgraded twins?
Don't even waste $1 on anything for the whole car at all, unless it's like misfiring or something. You have to figure that out.
Yep, regular
But
maintenance.
If it's not misfiring, even if it's not boosting, not doing anything, running your codes, if it's just starting up everything, just buy shit with single turbo. Looks like it's not even, it doesn't look like it has anything done to it. That's the cool part.
Super sleeper. So for the people that don't know, this car came fully dismantled, no motor, no trans, everything was out, and we got this put together pretty good. So what's the mod list on this car for the people that don't know?
So, the motor was out because, as Ty discovered sometime before, it had like this crazy front seal job done where it was RTB stuffed in there. It was just looking crazy. It was leaking anyway.
Oh, the front crank seal.
Yeah. So the front seal and the rear seal got done. The oil filter housing, all the gaskets got done. The coils are all B58 upgraded kit from BTT, every one of them.
Yep, and then you got the 6870 turbo, Doc Race kit, the Doc Race manifold
With injector dynamics, ID 1050.
Yeah, the big boys.
And then the little stuff like, you know, dual catch can, and then the relocation for this, because not all kits come with that. It's kind of crazy. Then the rest is turbo smart. The blow off valve, the two waste wastegates are turbo smart.
Yeah, the dual wastegates.
And the last thing I think pretty much is clutch. It's a motive ST clutch, twin disc, and then the motive reflex. And MHC, of course, shout out that.
Yeah. This isn't a pretty bad build. It's not too simple, but it is doable for the average person. But I'll show you guys something. You guys see all this pretty stuff in here. Once you close this hood, super sleeper, stop playing. You cannot tell this is single turbo at all. By the outside, you can't even see anything. Let me know in the comments if you think this is a single turbo with the hood closed. Please let me know. All right, so scale 1 to 10, what do you rate the build?
10, absolutely.
10 all the way? Okay.
We got what I wanted is above 10, you know what I mean? From what we discussed and how we planned everything out, like it wasn't even gonna be on ethanol or anything like that. It was just gonna be on 90. I made sure everything was dialed in. It's basically at the point where he gave me something that if I did the simple things next, like put a set of wheels on it, better traction, and took some weight out of it, and that's it. I could go racing. That's what we go from this.
Yeah.
Straight up, it's a race car, but it's not because it has full interior, everything works, you know. But it's that close to being a full-blown race car the second that's the thought.
Yeah, this thing is a super sleeper. Well, we're about to drive back to the shop. I'll probably get like a little clip in there for you guys. It is done, and he's super excited. He loves the car, and that's what we love to see.
Yeah, dude,
Yep.
I swear the clutch has been like getting better and better.
Yeah.
Like,
Well, you got to get used to the twin disc.
yeah, and in between gears,
Yeah.
it's much smoother.
Yeah, but you know what's crazy? Like that clutch, for the price, it definitely holds the power though. You have.
Oh yeah, well, I found one that's crazy that like, did I need 1250 though?
I mean, it gives you room. It gives you room to add more power if you wanted to.
Dude, look at the gas mileage. Like, I made sure that was legit because I cleared it like 20. If you're actually just chilling and you're in 6th gear,
Yeah.
the window up so they can hear me. Yeah, if you actually put set the gas mileage and go to check it, and you're just cruising, you can get 25 in 6th gear because it's not like a supercharger where it's constantly drawing and parasitic loss and everything.
Yeah.
This shit is but yeah, 21.3 right now, taking on and off around town. Think about how big the turbo is and how much power it makes to get that kind of MVP.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Like this is so comfortable and like it feels so stock in here.
Yeah.
I could drive this to like Roof Chris or something.
Bro, you could drive it far and be comfortable.
Yeah, like to Vermont or like Maine.
That's the plan, but you know what? The thing about it is I have to know. You're gonna teach me how to switch maps, but I don't give a fuck. I just want to make sure I'm running it on E.
Yeah.
Like, I'm just gonna try to do my best to have it, and if I don't have it, well, it's your fault. You gotta fucking get it and you can drive it. But then I think about it and I'm like, but if you're going, if you know you're going straight somewhere,
Yeah.
you better fucking turn it off and then learn how to put it back on eventually. So, sooner or later.
For sure.
But for right now, where I have a jug in the back, so before I go back to South Windsor, I'm just gonna fill
What,
it
you
up.
gonna add some?
I'm gonna fill this up. That's all I used, and it got down to half after the day and a half of driving it a couple times from yesterday when I picked it up, and my 5-gallon jug plus 2 gallons filled it up. So that makes sense. It's like 8 gallons. It's a 16-gallon tank.
Yeah. yeah, this thing boogies.
You can imagine.
This car boogies.
Get up to this. How quickly could you get 180 when you're on the highway? You could just, that's like ZR1 fucking crazy Corvette fucking McLaren shit right there.